Hello Slaters, welcome back to Maths class. In today's class, we are going to learn about the concept of LCM. Now let's discuss about common multiples. Let us discuss about common multiples. Common multiples are those numbers which are multiples of all the given numbers. They should be common. They are the multiples of all the given numbers. Let's see now. Find the common multiples of 4 and 6. First, let us write multiples of 4. What is meant by multiples? By multiplying natural numbers to 4, you get multiples. 4 ones, 4. 4 2 times, 8. 4 threes, 12. 4 fours, 16 and so on. 4 fives, 20. 4 6, 24. 4 sevens, 20. So these are the multiples of 4. Same way, let's write multiples of 6. Same way we need to multiply 6 ones, 6, 6 twos, 12, 6 threes, 18, 6 fours, 24, 6 fives, 30. So this way. Now let's check for common multiples. What are the common multiples? You can see here 12. Next, yes, we have 24. So this way we are getting some more. We will get some more, like infinite multiples we'll get. So what are the common multiples of 4 and 6? 12, 24 and so on. So these are called common multiples. Clear? Okay. Now let's see least common multiple. What is meant by least common multiple? In short form we will say LCM. The least common multiple of two or more given numbers is the smallest of their common multiples. Just now we found common multiples. In that we should choose smallest. Then that is known as least common multiple. Okay. Let us understand by an example. Find the LCM of 4 and 6. Okay. Now what are multiples of 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Same way, multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. So first we should write common multiples 12, 24 and so on. What are the common multiples we got? 12, 24. Now what we need to do? The smallest of their common multiples. What is the smallest number here? Yes, 12. Now what is the smallest of these multiples? 12. So 12 is the LCM of 4 and 6. 12 is the LCM of 4 and 6. So this way we should find LCM. Understood everyone? Now, methods of finding LCM. Let us see methods of finding LCM. First one, by listing multiples. The same method which we have done. Find the multiples of all the numbers. Step 1. Next, write the common multiples of all the numbers. Write the smallest of the common multiples. It is the LCM. We have done one example, right? So same example, that is listing multiples. Let's see one example. Find the LCM of 4, 6. Same example we are doing. Multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40 and so on. Same way, multiples of 6. These are the multiples of 6. Now from this, what are the common multiples? Yes, 12, then 24, then 36 and so on. These are the common multiples. Now what is the least one? What is the least multiple? Yes, least common multiple is 12. So LCM of 4, 6 is 12. So this is the method of listing multiples. Now second method is prime factorization method. Second method is what? Prime factorization method. First, find the prime factors of each of the given numbers. We should find the prime factors of each of the given numbers. Take the common prime factors of all the numbers. We should take the common prime factors of all the numbers. Then take the extra, that is remaining prime factors also. We should take the remaining prime factors. Then the product of common prime factors and extra prime factors. Product of common prime factors and extra prime factors is the required LCM. Let's understand by an example. Find the LCM of 12 and 30. So 12 prime factorization 2, 6 times 12, 2, 3 times 3 ones. So 2 into 2 into 3. Same way 30, 2 15s 30, 3 5s 15, 5 ones 5. So how can we write 12? 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. Same way 30 can be written as 2 into 3 into 5. Now what is the second step? Take the common prime factor. What are the common prime factors? 2 is common here, one number. 3 is also common. So the common factors are 2 comma 3. Same way, what are the extra factors, that is remaining factors? So this is remaining here, this is remaining here, right? So the remaining factors are 2 comma 5. The remaining factors are, or extra factors are 2 comma 5. Now we should take the product of these numbers. We should take the product of these numbers so that you get LCM. LCM of 12, 30 is 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. That's nothing but how much? 60. So 60 is the LCM of 12 and 30. We should find common factors and as well as extra factors, remaining factors. Product of them will be the LCM. Understood everyone? So this way we need to find LCM by prime factorization method. Now let's see, next method is division method. Third method is what? Division method. Now in this method, write the numbers in a row separated by commas, first step. Then divide the numbers by a prime number which divides at least two of the given numbers and carry forward the numbers which are not divisible by prime number. We should see to it that a prime number divides at least two numbers. If only two numbers are given, then compulsory those two numbers must be divided by prime number. And some numbers will not be divided by prime number, so those numbers must be carry forwarded. We should take those numbers as usual in the next step. Okay? Next one, repeat the process till the numbers have no common factors other than 1. We need to continue dividing till we get the numbers which don't have common factors other than 1. Okay? Then the product of the divisors and the remaining numbers is the required LCM. The product of divisors and the remaining numbers is the LCM. Let us understand by an example so that we can understand clearly. Find the LCM of 18, 24 and 12 by division method. Okay. Now this way, first step is we should write three numbers in a row separated by commas. Let's take the prime number. Now let us divide 2 9s 18, 2 12s 24, 2 6 12. So two numbers must be divided. So all the three numbers are divided. Now see here 9, 12, 6. 12 and 6 are even numbers, so these are divided by 2, but 9 is not divided. So two numbers are divided by 2, so let us divide by 2, minimum two numbers. So since 9 is not divided, we should write as usual. 9, we should write carry forward as usual. So 2, 9 written as usual. 2, 6 times 12, 2 3s 6. Now out of 9, 6, 3, these are multiples of 3, right? So these are divided by 3. So 3 times 9, 3 2s 6, 3 1s 3. So this way we got these numbers which are not divided by any number other than 1. So this is the end of the division. Now we need to, what we need to do? We should multiply, we should find the product of divisors and remaining numbers. That's nothing but LCM. Okay, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 1. That's nothing but 72. The product of divisors and remaining numbers. So therefore LCM of 18, 24 and 12 is 72. So this is division method. Understood everyone? Okay. Next, relation between HCF and LCM. How they are related. Product of HCF and LCM of two numbers. The product of HCF and LCM is nothing but product of those two numbers. HCF into LCM equal to product of two numbers. Let's see one example. Verify the relation between HCF and LCM of 8, 12. So HCF of 8, 12 is 4. How? Because if you divide 8 ones 8, remainder is 4. So first divisor is 8. Let us divide with 4. 4 2s 8. So remainder we got 0. So this is the HCF. Same way, what is the LCM of 8, 12? LCM of 8, 12. 2 4s, 2 6 times. Same way, 2 2 times, 2 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24. So LCM of 8, 12 is 24. So now what is their product? HCF into LCM, that is 4 into 24 is nothing but 96, which is LHS. Now what are the numbers? Two numbers given, 8 and 12. So RHS is product of the numbers, 8 into 12. We got again 96. So it is true. So hence the relation is verified. HCF into LCM of two numbers equal to product of two numbers. Okay. Now you need to remember these points to remember. HCF of given numbers cannot be greater than the numbers. HCF of given numbers cannot be greater than the numbers. Second one, LCM of given numbers cannot be less than the numbers. LCM of given numbers cannot be less than the numbers. If HCF of two numbers is equal to one of them, then the LCM is equal to other number. If HCF of two numbers is equal to one of them, then the LCM is equal to the other number. Let's take 2, 6. 2 and 6 HCF is 2 divides 6 with remainder 0. So 2 is the HCF. Then what is the LCM of 2 and 6? 2 once, 2 3 times. So 2 into 3, 6. So 6 is, so if 2 is out of 2, 6, 2 is the HCF, compulsorily 6 becomes LCM. So that way this statement is telling. If two numbers are given, one number is HCF of those two numbers, then the other number must be LCM. Okay. Next point, HCF of two numbers is always a factor of their LCM. HCF of two numbers is always a factor of their LCM. You can see here 2 is a factor of 6. Clear? You need to note down all these points and complete your homework. Okay, and these three problems you need to solve. Clear? If you have any doubt, you can ask your teacher. Thank you.